Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you Nutree Professional Hair Mask. So let's get into this video, loves. This is the Afro Bondox Expert hair mask. So with this hair mask, basically you can put it on your hair, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and you can blow dry and add heat to your hair. So right here, I'm not doing that in this video. I'm just going to show you how I've been doing it, like with a quick wash and go if I want some more shine and body to my curls. So that's what I'm doing. This really helps with that. It helps with the frizz. So if you have curly hair like me, or if you don't have curly hair, it's okay. This product will be fabulous. The slippage is awesome. I noticed when I was rinsing my hair, it was very shiny, and I love that. I never experienced a hair mask like this before, and it has a beautiful smell to it. It smells so good. And also I have noticed with the frizz, like, look at my hair. It is so shiny. I have that, like, this is just me rinse it out with no product. I'm about to use the blow dryer to get the heat to my hair. But other than that, I enjoy this hair mask. Make sure you check out this brand. I'll link everything down in the description bar. And I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Bye.